Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is disease leprosy and its effects in human life. So let's start. Leprosy is a long-term infectious disease that minorly affects the skin, nerves, and sometimes the eyes and nose. It is caused by a bacteria called Mycobacterium leprosy. The disease has been known for thousands of years and was once feared because people did not understand it well. Leprosy spreads slowly and is not as contagious as many people believe. It usually spreads through close and repeated contact with someone who has untreated leprosy, often through droplets from the nose and mouth. The first signs of leprosy are usually light colored or reddish patches on the skin. These patches may feel numb because the bacteria attack the nerves. Over time, if the disease is not treated, it can cause nerve damage, muscle weakness, and deformities in the hands and feet. Some people may also develop eye problems which can lead to blindness. Leprosy develops very slowly and symptoms may take years to appear after the infection. Leprosy is more common in areas with poor living conditions where healthcare is limited. Countries in Asia, Africa, and South America still report cases of leprosy, though the number has gone down in recent years. Anyone can get leprosy, but it is not very common. A strong immune system can usually fight off the bacteria. Treatment for leprosy is available and very effective. The World Health Organization provides free medicines called multi-drug therapy to the patients around the world. Multi-drug therapy combines different antibiotics that kill the bacteria and stop the disease from spreading. Treatment usually lasts 6 months to a year depending on the type of leprosy. If started earlier, treatment can prevent disability and other complications. It is important to understand that leprosy can be cured. People with leprosy should not be isolated or discriminated against. In the past, those with the disease were forced to live away from others because of fear and stigma, but today we know that is unnecessary. With proper treatment, people with leprosy can live normal, healthy lives. Preventing leprosy includes earlier detection, quick treatment, and education. Family members and people living close to someone with leprosy should be checked regularly. Good hygiene, nutrition, and a healthy lifestyle also support strong immunity, which helps the body resist infection. Leprosy teaches us an important lesson about kindness and awareness. Instead of being afraid of people with the disease, society should offer them care and support. Many people with leprosy face shame and discrimination, which makes their lives even harder. Education can help fight stigma by showing that leprosy is treatable and not highly contagious. In today's world, leprosy is no longer a hopeless disease. With the right medicines, care, and support, people affected by leprosy can recover fully. Continued efforts in healthcare and awareness can one day help to eliminate leprosy from the world.